DUFOUR 37 una piccola grande barca perché la sua
DUFOUR 37, a great little boat, because its legal hull length is 9.99 metres, which means it's a watercraft for the Italian law. This really simplifies the bureaucratic issues a lot, but its ability to carry people on a cruise is far beyond its size. Not surprisingly, the project is by the talented Umberto Felci, who for many years has been collaborating with DUFOUR.
tanti anni collabora con DUFOUR. Una barca dotata.
It is a fully equipped boat available with two layouts, 3 or 2 cabins and a head. In the 2 cabin layouts, the head is very large and at the stern.
Un pozzetto da
There is a cruising cockpit with space for the helmsman. Not much, but adequate. 2 large benches where it's also possible to sleep. This table is always very useful for those who stay at anchor a lot.
Ed eccoci dentro DUFOUR 37, un po' un
Here we are
miracolo
inside
quanta
DUFOUR
parte
37. It's almost a miracle seeing how much they could create on a hull of just 10 metres. There's a nice forward cabin, a loft effect, thanks to the 2 opening doors and 2 aft double cabins.